Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how can we set up kind and kubectl on Kubernetes in Linux Ubuntu system. So let's begin. To install kind, first open a new tab in Google or any browser and search for install kind Kubernetes. Here is the link. I will give you the link in description box. From content, select installation. Drop down a bit. Here you can see on Linux, on Mac, or the configuration for Windows. So I am in Linux, so I am select the first link here, card. So I am downloading first the kind cluster. It will take some time to download according to your broadband speed. Let's give it the permission and then move it to some directory. I will move it, then I think it will be in bin folder. That's fine. Check the kind version. Yeah, so kind is installed. Now create the kind cluster. Before creating kind cluster, let's install the kubectl. To install kubectl, let's open a new tab in browser and search for kubectl installation. You will find a page in Kubernetes doc for how to install and set up kubectl in Linux. I will give you the link in description box. Let's call it. It will not take too much time. I hope. Yeah, after that I'm going to check. I'm going to validate the binary. To validate the binary, I have to download the checksum file. Yeah, checksum file is downloaded. Then I echo. I'll check the checksum. Yeah, kubectl okay. So download. So our installation is okay. Now let's create the kind cluster. To create the client cluster, the command is kind create cluster. It is ensuring the node image. It will download the node image if it is not exist already. In my system, the image kind/node is already exists. So it is take that image, preparing node, writing configuration. Now starting control plane. It will take some time to start the control plane. Let's wait a bit. It takes some more time. Yeah, it's installing CNI driver and it's installing storage class. Yeah, so to view the kubectl cluster info context kind, you can copy this command and paste to see the kubectl cluster info. You see the kubectl Kubernetes control plane is running on my local host and core DNS is also running on the short path. Let's check the ports from all namespace using kubectl to make sure that kubectl is also working. Kubectl get ports all namespace. Yeah, the kubectl is also working. This is how you can set up your kind and kubectl in your Ubuntu machine. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.